welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Jeffreestar Mini Nude Lipstick Set or the Mini Nude Lipstick Bundle. This one, guys, and the Jeffreestar Setting Powder. So if you haven't seen the unboxing video of these items and if you want to know how much it costs, all of this including the shipping fee, I mentioned it from the previous video, which is the unboxing video. So if you haven't seen that one, I will put the link down below or I will put the suggested link up above. So guys, before I start, I put a bit of eyeshadow just to emphasize the color of the lipstick because it's a nude lipstick and I don't like to look pale later on. So first, I'm gonna start reviewing the setting powder, but before that, I'll put concealer under my eyes. And by the way, guys, I'm using the Jeffreestar concealer as well. This one, the shade is C11. And to be honest, guys, this is one of my favorite concealer because it can definitely cover your eye bags, your dark circles, pimples. It can even cover your tattoos, guys. Ganyan siya ka-pigmented. And it's very light. It's so easy to wear and it's so easy to blend. So I'm gonna start putting this concealer now. And another thing that I like, guys, is the container. Look how cute is that. It looks like a magic wand. It's very, very cute. And there's a star in here. It's very cute, guys. So I'm just gonna put this one on. And I really love the brush. So nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this. So guys, this is the Jeffreestar concealer. I didn't put the setting powder yet, so as you notice, very nice siya, guys. Gustong-gusto ko. Nawawala yung eye bags ko. Okay, so now, I'm gonna put the setting powder. It smells so good, guys. So I'm gonna use the same sponge. Merong ibang setting powder, guys, or foundation na sa paglagay mo lang, it's so heavy na. But this one, so light. Ayan. Ayan na, guys. Ano na yung tsura ko? So, now, guys, I don't like to bake my setting powder. It's really up to you if you want to bake or not. But for me, I chose to not to bake. Kasi I tried before. I tried na nag-bake ako before using other brand. Parang ano siya, meron siyang mga lines, which is I don't like sa effect. Pero yeah, para akong na-trauma. So kaya, I'm gonna brush it straight away. And I'm using this kind of brush. So, yung brush ko lang, guys. Oh, it's so nice. Guys, it's so smooth. Okay, sobrang puti ko, guys. I didn't put blush on yet. But, oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, it's very nice, guys. Diba? Nawawala yung mga dark circles and eye bags. Oh my god. The concealer, Jeffreestar, and setting powder. So, what are you waiting for? Bili na kayo! Right, guys. Now I've finished reviewing the setting powder. Next, I'll be reviewing the nude lipsticks. But before that, I think I need to put a little bit of blush on because I noticed I look pale. So, I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back! So, nakalagay na ako ng konting blush on, guys. Hindi na ako medyo maputla tingnan. I'm just gonna remove my lipstick here so I can start reviewing the Jeffreestar nude lipstick, guys. I have my wet tissue here. So we'll just open this one. This one, guys. Ayan. So let's start the skin tight. This one, guys. This is the skin type. So I'm gonna start reviewing this. Okay. Look at the brush. Very nice. It smells so good, guys. I think like all of Jeffreestar product, they all smell good. Goodness. So guys, this is the skin type shade. Very nude. But I'm not sure if the color suits me. I think it's fine daytime, and if you will wear smoky, darker eyeshadow, I think it's fine. But it's just, for me, in my skin tone, I'm not sure. I'm not sure this kind of shade. But yeah, it's nice. And the good thing is it's very light. Very light, guys. It's not heavy at all. So next is, I'll try the mannequin, guys. This shade. But I need to remove the skin type first before I start the mannequin. So I'm gonna remove the skin type now, and we'll see if madali ba siyang matanggal, if it's easy to remove. Sobrang dali niya matanggal sa tissue, guys. It's so easy to remove sa wet tissue, but hindi siya easy ma-remove, guys, if kakain ka. How can I tell? Because I've been using Jeffreestar lipstick for 3 years now, kaya alam na alam ko, guys. I am a Jeffreestar lipstick lover and MAC lipstick lover, guys. So now, guys, I'm gonna start putting the mannequin. But since the mannequin and the celebrity skin is quite close yung shade nila, guys, this one I'm gonna show you. It's quite similar yung shade nila. So this is the mannequin and this is the celebrity skin. So the celebrity skin is a bit darker compare sa mannequin, guys. So what I'm going to do is ilalagay ko yung mannequin dito sa ibaba, and then yung celebrity skin is ilalagay ko dito sa itaas. So this is the mannequin. Para ma-differentiate natin yung kaibahan, guys, sa shade. Hindi siya mabigat. I love it. I love the color. I think the color suits me more than the skin type, guys. It's just similar the color of my lips. You notice, guys? Parang similar lang. This one, wala itong shade, walang lipstick. This is my natural color of my lips. And this is the lipstick, the mannequin. Looks like it's similar color. So, now I'm gonna put the celebrity skin dito sa taas, guys. Ooh, this looks like chocolate. When it sticks. So this is the mannequin and this is the celebrity skin. They're quite similar, guys, yung shade nila, pero yung celebrity skin is a bit darker compared sa mannequin. Pero for me lang talaga, oh, parang very close. Both are pretty though. I love the shade. It's so elegant and very light, guys. I think the mannequin and the celebrity skin, the shade suits me more than the skin type, guys. It looks so elegant. It really suits to my skin tone. So, nagtanggal na ako sa lipstick, guys. Next is the Bush Spice. This one, guys. It looks like similar color sa malayo. Pero, pag closer, ayan, meron siyang difference. So, this is the push spice. Ayan. Darker siya, guys, compare sa iba. My God. It's dark. It looks like a chocolate. Oh my God. Ibang klase siya na pagka-nude. Wow. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Oh my God, guys, this is a very nice kind of nude. This is darker than the skin type mannequin and the celebrity skin, and I think the color suits me as well. It's very nice. Oh, I'm happy. This is my first time try this shade. The skin type mannequin, celebrity skin, and the push spice. This is my first time trying this, so I am amazed. This is nice. I didn't expect this one. This shade really surprised me. Next, let's move to the Rose Matter shade. This one, guys, it's kind of like a bit pinky. This one, guys, the Rose Matter. Try na natin, guys. May pagka-pink siya. Interesting. OMG, guys, this is very nice. My God, this shade really surprised me as well. Oh my God, wow, Rose Matter, guys, Rose Matter. Very nice. I'm so happy. Gustong-gusto ko yung pagka-pink niya. It's so feminine. Bagay na bagay sa akin, guys. I love it. So now let's move to the Gemini shade. I have tried this already because I have the big ones of this shade as well. But still, I'm gonna show you guys. This one, guys, the Gemini shade. Ayan. Para siyang may pagka-pink din, but a bit darker sa Rose Matter, guys. So this one is kinda like light pink. And this one is like a dark pink. Yeah, this is one of my favorite, guys. Ito ang unang-unang naubos sa mga collection ko sa Jeffreestar. God, this is really my favorite. Para siya kasing coral yung shade niya. So this is the Gemini shade. Look how pretty is that, guys. Para siyang coral shade. So that's why this is my favorite among the rest. Yung kulay niya talaga parang alive na alive. Second favorite is the Rose Matter now. Ito na yung second favorite ko, ang Rose Matter. So closer tayo, no? Closer sa Gemini. So next is Leo. So this is the Leo. So I'm just gonna try this on, but first I need to remove the Gemini. So I'm putting now the Leo. So may pagka-orange brown siya, guys. So this is the Leo shade. I love this color as well. Hindi pa ubos yung big container ko guys kasi hindi ko siya masyadong new use. Kasi I remember yung asawa ko, ayaw niya masyadong itong shade na to. Parang ayaw niya. Parang hindi niya gusto itong shade na to. But for me, I like this shade. I love this shade. So, last but not the least is the Androgony shade, guys. This one. Yan. So, this is the Androgony. This one, may pagkaano siya, dark purple. So this is the Androgony shade. It's kind of like dark purple or dark lavender. Basta guys, it's very nice. Very, very nice. And for me, this is good for winter season, cold season, or for nighttime. Kasi, ano siya, a bit darker. So, it's good for nighttime. Okay lang siya sa daytime. Basta light yung eyeshadow mo. Light eyeshadow and this one. Pero pag dark eyeshadow and this one, parang too much na guys. So, it needs balance. So, this is the closer look of Androgony. Very nice as well. I love this color. There's this shade. So, overall review guys, if I will rate this one from 1 to 10, I will rate this one 9 out of 10. Kasi the skin tight, I'm not really sure the shade if it suits me. But the rest guys, it really makes me happy. I love most of it. But my favorite guys, the first is the Gemini. And the second favorite is the Rose Matter. I'm so surprised na Rose Matter yung second. It's just, I love the color. And then third is the Celebrity Skin. Oh, third yung Celebrity Skin. And then fourth is the I got confused if Androgony or Push Spice. Basta sila dalawa for me is fourth kasi pareho silang maganda eh. And then 5 yung Mannequin, and then last na yung pinaka-last yung Skin Tight talaga. Kasi I'm not sure if bagay sa akin yung Skin Tight. Basta yan na guys, I gave you an idea already by rating them from 1 to 10 and telling you what's my favorites. Overall, I'm so happy. For me, hindi sayang yung binayad ko. It's worth. Medyo may kamahalan talaga ang Jeffreestar, guys. Kasi you're paying the quality. You get what you paid for. So, for me, worth siya. Okay lang siya. Matagal siyang maubos at matagal siyang matanggal. So, guys, that's all my vlog for today. And I hope it helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you don't forget to give me thumbs up and feel free to share. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing as well by clicking the red button down below. And again, if you like to check out the Jeffreestar website, I will put the link down below as well if you want to check it out. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next video. Bye for now! Mwah! So guys, update lang sa Jeffreestar na lipstick. This is the Rose Matter. So, tapos na akong kumain. Umiinom din ako, pero andito pa rin siya. Hindi pa rin siya natanggal guys. So, very nice.